So there are two kinds of HTML element: container element and empty element. What is container element? Container elements always wrap around the text or graphics which come in a set with an opening as well as closing tag. As I told just now, when you open HTML tag, so we close HTML tag. And these kind of tags are called container tags or container elements. But the tag which you open only, but you do not close, they do not require closing, they are called empty tag or empty element. Okay, for example, I tell you the example like BRHR. You can see here. HR, it is an empty element, or you can say non-container tag. Now here HTML structure. Okay, what are there in HTML structure? So as I tell you here, let me first open Notepad. Okay, I'm opening Notepad and then I will show you in Notepad. Okay, now I am sharing my Notepad screen. Can you all see my Notepad screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Type.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
kindly stop
Yes, sir.
answering. Okay, I'm going to write HTML element, like HTML. Just now I have told that HTML is a container tag. Okay, why do we write HTML tag? Anyone? Anyone can tell why do we write HTML tag? No answer.
Tell us how that it is an HTML file.
Okay, listen to me. Kindly stop talking. Listen to me. We write HTML tag so that the web browser can identify. The web browser can recognize the page that this is a web page of HTML. Okay. The browser can recognize the page that it is a web page of HTML or it is an HTML document. That's why we write HTML tag. If we do not write HTML tag, it means the web browser like Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, they cannot recognize this page. So we have written HTML tag, then we write the head tag. It is given for mostly showing the title on the web page, on the top of the window, you can say, on the top of the screen or on the top of the window. To show the title, head tag is used. Okay, title, suppose we write something, my first page. Then we close title. Okay. Now you can see here, title I have opened and I have closed also. It means you can say title is a container tag. Title is a container element or container tag. The element which require opening tag as well as closing tag. That is called container tag. Then we close head also. Let us close head. Then we write the tag body tag. Okay. What we write? Body tag. Why do we use body tag? You can say body tag is the main tag. It is the main tag. Without main tag, without body tag, you cannot display anything in the page area. Page area means in the web page section. On the top of the page, you can display the title, but inside the page, if you want to display anything, that can be done only with the help of body tag. Only with the help of body tag. Okay, so that's why we write body tag. Then we write something inside body tag. This is my first page, first HTML page ever created. Okay. Then we just close the body tag. How do we close? In angular bracket, we write the forward slash and then we write the body. Then we close HTML tag. Okay. So now you can see the structure of HTML. What is the structure of HTML? In HTML, first HTML tag is written. Okay. Why? Because HTML tag is compulsory to write so that the web browser can identify, can recognize that this is an HTML document. And then web browser accordingly displays the content. After HTML tag, we write the head tag. Head tag is used to show some contents on top of the page. On top of the page, top section of the page. And inside that, we use the title tag. Then we close the head tag. After that, the body tag comes. Body tag, which is the, you can say, main tag to display the content inside the web page. Any content if you want to display inside the page, that is done through the body tag. Without body tag, no contents can be displayed inside the page. Like here I have written a sentence, hi everyone, this is my first HTML page ever created. So this will be displayed by body tag. It is written inside body tag, so it will come on your page, main page. Then we close the body tag and then we close HTML tag also. So these are the 4 main tags, remember, which are compulsory for HTML. After that, there are many more tags, but these are 4 main tags: HTML, head, body, and title. Sorry, title is not required. 3 only you can say. 3. HTML, head, and body. These are 3 main tags. Inside that, you can see tags inside the body.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, means title is not compulsory in writing an HTML code.
Yeah, title is you can give as per your choice or you don't give. Okay.
So head is also not compulsory, no?
Head to display some content on the top of the page, it is written. Okay. The structure in the structure head is required.
To define the header.
Yeah, header section, top section of the page. Okay.
Sir, title and head is different or same?
No, title and head is different. Title means to display on the title bar. If something you want to display on the title bar, you can see the window, not the window, on top.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On top, untitled is written. It means this is the
Yes.
title bar.
Yeah.
Title bar, if you want to display something, that is done through title tag. Okay. But head,
Okay, sir.
head tag, if you write something inside head, then that
Title is not
or the text on top of the page. Okay. So inside head tag, title tag also comes. In the
Speak again.
title
Voice
is
is
not
not audible.
compulsory
all of
to
you
write.
listen, mute yourself. Mute yourself. I am telling the structure. Okay. In the structure, what
Yes, sir.
in the structure, HTML is written, head is written, and body is written. These are the 3 main which are written in the structure. After that, it is your choice. It depends on your document creation that how many tags you want to use. Okay, how many tags?
Yes.
Total. So that depends on your choice. Like I want to use font tag here. So I will write font tag. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I will write the size attribute. Size equal to 15. Then I will write color. Color equal to red. Okay, this is my choice. The other tags which are written, that is my choice that I want to write to make my page more enhanced, more creative. That is my choice.
Yes, sir.
But inside the structure, the main three tags which are there, they are the HTML head and body. Okay. And one more thing I tell you, just wait. Then I close font. Okay. Now what is the main thing? That is inside body tag. Okay. The tags, that is called a hierarchy of tags. Hierarchy of tags means first we open HTML tag, then we open body tag, then we open font tag. Can you see these three? HTML, body, and font. And inside this, you can see that first font tag is closed. Okay, means it follows the theory of last in, first out. Last in, first out. That means which is opened last, the tag which have been opened in last, that will be closed first. Understood? Last,
Yes, sir.
last in, first
Yes, sir.
out. Last in, first out means the tag which is opened in last, that will be closed first. After that, the second last. And after that, the first one. Is it clear? This
Yes,
is
sir.
this is the hierarchical order of HTML tags. This is the hierarchical order of HTML tags, which means last in, first out. The last tag will be closed first, then the second last, then the third last, then fourth last, and then the first one. Like this, it is closed. Okay. Now let me share you the topic screen. Now I'm sharing with you the topic screen. Kindly see. Can you see the topic screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
first we write HTML tag. Okay. In the structure, first we write HTML tag. You can see here which tells the browser that this is an HTML document. Then we write the head tag. It is used for text and tags that do not appear directly on the page, but it acts as a header of the file. Header of the file means in the top section of page, maybe on the title bar, or maybe in the margin of the top margin of the page, it can display the text. Which tag? Head tag. And inside head tag, the title tag comes, which is used to display the title of the page in the title bar. Okay. Here given the title is
Sir, the title.
inside this tag appears on the browser's title bar. I'll show you just
Sir,
now.
the title tag will come under a head tag.
Yeah.
Title tag will come under the head tag.
Title tag is,
Title tag will come under the head tag.
yeah, title tag comes under the head tag. Okay. Here it is written, you can see this tag lies between head opening tag and head closing tag. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then after head tag, our body tag comes. Can you see here? So this you can say it is the main tag of page section, web page, which hold all the contents like words, pictures, and other stuff. Okay. Now here you can see in the structure, HTML is written, head is written, title is written, then head is closed, title closed, head closed. After that body tag, after that body closed, and in last HTML is closed. Okay. Now let me share the another screen, notepad screen. Okay. Can you see the notepad screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here I have made, now I show you the output. I will save it, save as, then on the desktop, I will save it as a, suppose abc.html. How to save HTML document? You write the name. We write the name of file .html. Okay. .html is compulsory to save any HTML document. Then save it.
Sir, if .html is not written, then the file will not run.
No, then the web page will not appear in your browser. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now what I do? Let me show the page. Okay. Let me show the page. Yes. Now I share you this screen. Can you see the screen? Can you all see the output?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here on,
Yes, sir.
on top, this is
Yes,
the title. You can see it is written my first page. I had written my first page in the title, and in the body section I had written, hi everyone, this is my first HTML page you were created, and I had written font tag this one. Okay. So this is how we create HTML document and how we save, and what are the HTML structure. Have you all understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So any question you can ask
Yes, sir.
in the WhatsApp group. Any other question, because the time is over. Very soon it will be closed. The class will be closed
Sir, but
by Zoom app.
but in the group, WhatsApp group, only admins can send message.
Sorry, I can't listen. Speak once again.
Sir, in the WhatsApp group, only the admins can send message. Huh?
You can message me personally also, no problem. Okay. Is it clear?
Okay, sir. Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
So
Sir,
that's
one
all
question.
for today. Thank you everyone. Bye.